Have you ever had that feeling? You're speaking English, you know your grammar is perfect, you're using all the right words, but people still lean in and say, "Sorry, what was that?" Well, today we are pulling back the curtain on the hidden rules of American pronunciation that your textbooks probably never taught you. Let's get right into it. Ugh, there it is. That sentence. "I'm sorry, I can't understand you." It can be so frustrating, right? You spent years learning, you're confident, and then that happens. I'm here to tell you it's probably not about your vocabulary at all. So what's the real issue here? So what gives? Why does this keep happening? Well, it's not what you're saying, it's all about how you're saying it. It's about the music, the rhythm, the hidden flow of fast, natural American English. And today, we're going to decode those unwritten rules that will absolutely transform the way you speak. Okay, our first big secret, our first weapon, is all about one single letter that causes so much confusion, the letter T. You see, in American English, this letter is a total shapeshifter, and learning its two big disguises is a complete game changer for sounding more natural. Just take a look at these words on the screen. Your eyes see water, but what you usually hear is waiter. You see better, but you hear better. See what I mean? It's a totally different sound, and believe it or not, there's a really simple rule behind it. And here it is. It's called the flap T. It's super common. Basically, whenever a T gets squished between two vowel sounds, Americans get a little lazy with it and soften it into a quick, light D sound. This is one of the absolute biggest keys to the American accent. Listen to this common phrase, better late than never. See, that hard T in better just vanished. It became a soft D. Go on, try saying it yourself. Better late than never. It just flows so much more smoothly, doesn't it? So you've got the T that turns into a D. But what if I told you that sometimes it just vanishes? Poof, gone. This is our next secret, and it's called the stopped T. Mastering this will make you sound so much more natural, especially in fast speech. Don't get bent it. Hear that? I'm not saying don't or get What's happening is my tongue moves up to the roof of my mouth to make the T sound, but then I just stop the air. No puff of sound comes out. Don't get bent it. Try it. You make the shape, but you hold back the sound. All right, let's switch gears and tackle another pronunciation puzzle. This is one that even native speakers can trip over sometimes, that really tricky STS sound at the end of words like tests or posts. It is a total tongue twister, but don't worry, we're going to break it down. The secret here is to attack it in little pieces. It's all about baby steps. First, just practice that ending sound. It's like a little cymbal in an orchestra. Ts, ts. Get that sharp sound down. Okay, now just say the root word, test. Easy enough. And finally, you combine them smoothly, tests. It's all about that quick little tongue movement at the very end. And once you get the hang of it, you will start hearing this sound everywhere. It's in tests, posts, beasts. And the same basic idea works for words with an esks sound, like in risks and asks. It's all about getting that crisp, sharp ending. Okay, you're ready? It is time to put everything we've learned together. We're going to face one final challenge that combines all of these secrets, the flap T, the stopped T, and those tricky endings, and really see your new skills in action. All right, here it is. Take a good look at this sentence. Right now, wherever you are, I want you to say it out loud just how you normally would. I buy clothes through the internet. Go ahead. You got it? Okay, now let's break down how a native speaker would probably say it. So here's where the magic happens. This is how the sentence transforms in natural everyday speech. First up, the word close almost always just sounds like close, as in close the door. Crazy, right? Next, through sounds exactly like the word through, like you threw a ball. And finally, look at internet. That first T often just disappears completely and it becomes internet. So let's put all those pieces together. The whole sentence sounds like this. I buy clothes through the internet. Let's say that again, a little faster. I buy clothes through the internet. Hear the difference? These little tweaks are what make all the difference between sounding like a textbook and sounding natural. So here's the big takeaway from all this. Getting that clear, confident American sound isn't really about memorizing more vocabulary. It's about mastering these tiny, unwritten rules of pronunciation: the flap T, the stop T, those tricky endings. These little details are the true keys to clarity. The real magic here happens when you take these secrets and start applying them to your own daily speech. So I want you to think about it. What's one common word you use all the time that you can start practicing right now? Keep listening, keep practicing, and I promise you'll be amazed at how much your confidence and your clarity will start to grow.